Installing Land Rover wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increasing inner wheel clearance, you will less limit to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These Land Rover wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Land Rover wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduce risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Land Rover wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These screws allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Land Rover wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which greatly increase the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS Forge FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 glut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS Forge FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS Forge FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.